Windows October 10, 2018 update continues to frustrate users with another bug. Windows October 10, 2018 update has continued to frustrate Microsoft fans with another bug that appears to be replacing PC files without asking for permission. Windows October 10, 2018 update was initially released by Microsoft during its Surface hardware event on October 2. However, it was soon pulled after a number of users reported the new operating system version was deleting precious files unexpectedly. This led to the rollout of the Windows October 10, 2018 update being paused while Microsoft investigated such problems. The American tech firm later resumed the delivery of the upgrade but limited it to Windows insiders only. Discussing the move, Microsoft said, "We paused the rollout of the Windows October 10, 2018 update, version 1809, for all users as we investigated isolated reports of users missing files after updating. Given the serious nature of any data loss, we took the added precaution of pulling all 1809 media across all channels, including Windows Server 2019 and IoT equivalents. We intentionally start each feature update rollout slowly, closely monitoring feedback before offering the update more broadly. In this case, the update was only available to those who manually clicked on Check for Updates in Windows settings. But it appears Microsoft fans running the Windows October 10, 2018 update, also known as version 1809, may have discovered another bug in the software. A user on Reddit reported when moving files from a zip format, the firmware would not ask if they wanted to replace them with others on their computer. Such a feature is standard procedure on other Windows 10 versions. They said, ever since the October update, the overwrite confirmation is missing from zip files. I noticed that whenever I move something out of a zip, the "Do you want to replace these files" dialog never shows up. It just does it. I've reinstalled Windows and it still does it, it's only on the October update. Pretty nasty bug since you can accidentally overwrite a file and have no way of getting it back. Other Windows 10 users have reported the new software has also failed to replace any files at all when items have been moved from a zip folder. Most notably, it has been insisted the operating system did not inform the user, instead leaving them unaware no operation had taken place at all. A user on Ask Woody said, "The issue is that in 1809, Windows October 10, 2018 update, overwriting files by extracting from an archive using File Explorer doesn't result in an overwrite prompt dialog and also doesn't replace any files at all, it just fails silently. There are also some reports that it did overwrite items, but did so silently without asking." Since the issues have been noted, Windows latest has emphasized Microsoft appears to have fixed the issue. The outlet said in the latest Windows 10 preview build, version 19H1, it was unable to reproduce similar zip file problems. That means when the Windows October 10, 2018 update resumes its rollout to all Microsoft fans, such an issue should not be present.